Every month, money leaves your salary under one word, NIS. But do you actually understand what you're paying for? Because NIS is not just a deduction, it's your Social Security protection. NIS stands for National Insurance Scheme. It is Jamaica's state administered Social Security program. It provides financial benefits such as retirement pension, maternity benefit, employment injury benefit, and more. Both employees and employers are required to contribute. Employees contribute 3%, employers contribute 3%, self employed persons contribute 6%. But here's something important. NIS is calculated on a maximum remuneration of 5 million Jamaican dollars per year. $5 million per year, that equals approximately $416,667 per month, which means if you earn above that monthly amount, NIS is still only calculated up to that ceiling. Let's use a simple example. If your monthly salary is $200,000, 3% of $200,000 equals $6,000. Your employer also contributes $6,000 separately. Now, let's say your salary is $600,000 per month. NIS is not calculated on the full $600,000. It is calculated only up to $416,667. So 3% of $416,667 equals approximately $12,500. If you are self-employed, you contribute 6%, also up to the same annual maximum of $5 million. So the highest annual contribution would be 6% of 5 million. Here is something many workers do not recognize. NIS contributions are tax deductible, which means they reduce the amount of income that is subject to income tax. This is why deduction order matters. NIS gives you the following benefits: retirement pension, maternity benefit, employment injury benefit, invalidity benefit, and funeral grant. This is long-term financial protection. Your employer is legally required to deduct and remit NIS contributions. If contributions are not properly paid, it may affect your ability to claim benefits. You should periodically verify your contribution records. Now that you understand NIS, the next deduction to understand is NHT, which affects housing benefits in Jamaica. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.